Just got my delivery today, and this is a SoundMagic E10S in-ear headset headphones, and it's really difficult to open. How do I do this? Okay. Maybe I should pause for a while. 1 second. Alright. Okay, finally got rid of the plastic. So yeah, let's send. And that's my address. And that's it. SoundMagic E10S in-ear headset headphones. Basically paid around $1,850 for this. And they're supposedly the best earphones you could get nowadays. If you're in a budget, if you want to pay at least below 2,000 for headphones that last and are really good. Okay. So what do I do now? Oh yeah, remove the tape. Okay. Ooh, there you go. Can't really focus this camera. That's the back with plastic covering still. And I'm not selling it. I'm gonna use it. Come on. Open that. There we go. Just look good. See? Oh, there's still tape there. Where are my cutters? Messy desk. Messy. There you are. Okay. Let me just pause this again. Okay, no more other tapes. Should be easier to open now. Remove that. Okay. Let's see. Do you just grab this thing? There you go. Sorry. There you go. And what else is in there? Ooh! So, cover for it. There you are. Okay. So here are the headphones itself, with its twisty cord, and the only downside, the plasticky input. Looks real. Yeah, it is plastic. There's even a little switch there. I don't think you can focus it. Okay, anyway. Alright, the headphones themselves. And what's this? Just an empty box. And, oh, the container thingy. Ah. Oh. I see. There are adapters and extra rubbers for the earphones itself. See? Wow, that's a lot. There's a lot of them. Okay. See? Adapters. Oh, you can share. You can share. So if you want to listen with someone, your headphones. And what else is in here? Oh, a clip. SoundMagic. Alright. That's basically it. It's kind of messy, but I don't care. I'm just excited. So I hope my dad doesn't get mad. Bye.